Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Garwood, New Jersey, and we just completed this corner. Regular clear 3/8 inch tempered with shower guard glass. We used regular clear glass on this one because the bathroom itself has a slightly green-gray motif to it. As you see, all the gray background tiles. And we used shower guard because the Garwood has a bit of a water situation, you know, good amount of hard water here. So shower guard was recommended. And we used, this is what's called the miter style pull. We used square Geneva hinges and square SCU4 clamps. And of course the matching corner bracket for those series. Okay, and if you guys know anything about us, we love this little detail, which is the double acting door. Take a shower, you get all spritzy and the door is like completely soaked, and you open the door outwards and all that water just falls on your mat. Instead, open it in, all that water that's on the door goes right down into the pan, down the drain, out of your life. All right, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.